expected with the, even though there's a rift there, there's also the tarp, our old tarps underneath it. So.
Yeah, we got smart and doubled up on the tarp because.
Fine. It's just that front thing.
Yeah.
Kind of too bad, but it looks pretty good, really.
It's to be expected with all the sun and the weather conditions.
Oh, yeah. For 2 years and the rain up here and the wind and stuff, so it looks okay. All right, let's get her down. Success.
Oh my God, once it's washed off, then it feels so much better. But when you first take the canvas off, it's like so daunting and overwhelming, and it feels like it just needs so much work. But taking it to the power wash really helps.
Hondas look new. Hopefully they start new. Battery's working.
So now we got the boat parked back in our camping spot because we want to take a couple days to clean it up and to do all the maintenance on it before we actually take it out on the water. And so, Bob, what are you doing currently?
Greasing it, servicing the engines. I'll empty the lube out of the lower units and then change the oil, oil filter, fuel filters, and a few other little things within the motors. Then we're ready to go to at least try and start it. And we got the dinghy to inflate, which won't take very long, but today is kind of a, slowly get things going and then put it in the water hopefully on Friday.